Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid that Terraform to ask for confirmation for every instruction we give, either for Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. So let's take a look. Here I just deploy an EC2 by using this TF file, and if I try to destroy it with Terraform destroy command, it will prompt me for a confirmation. So this is not useful for automation. Then how can we avoid this behavior? And for doing that, Terraform provide us a flag that we can use here, which is this one, the auto-approve flag. So if I do this, it will start destroying the infrastructure without asking me for confirmation. This auto-approve, it will also apply for Terraform plan. So this is the very easy way to automate our infrastructure deployment or infrastructure disposal. So this is the way that we need to do it. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know your comments. Thanks.